morning, children. How are you, children? I hope all of you are fine. Today, class for 8th class. Subject is physical. Children, you might have listened about that one about polyester. So, polyester is an mostly commonly used synthetic fiber, and as the polyester was discovered, the total custom culture have been changed. One of the advantages of plastic is that polyester is nothing but the polyester dress materials are not wrinkled. Polyester dress materials are not wrinkled, and to maintain the polyester fabric is very easy, and we can easily wash the polyester. Children, Terylene is one of the popular polyester. So it can be woven into other fibers, and terylene is normally blend with any natural fiber. Nothing but we can easily mix the polyester with any fiber. Normally, the terylene is often mixed with cotton to give the terrycot, and terylene is also mixed with wool to give terry wool. Like nylon and polyester, the terylene also easily catches the fire. You know that one, the nylon cloth easily catches the fire. Similarly, here the terylene also easily catch the fire. So, how the polyester is made? So, the polyester is made by the reacting that terephthalic acid. Okay, the polyester is made by reacting the terephthalic acid and dimethyl ether, and we also used that dihydric alcohol. Okay, polyester is made by using terephthalic acid, dimethyl ether, and dihydric alcohol. Next, we can convert the polyester into different sizes and shapes also, and polyester is a very smooth fiber. We can beside dress materials, we can make a different type of articles by the polyester. From soda bottles to boat, we can make from soda bottle to the boat. Children, normally nowadays we are drinking water in a plastic bottle. Have you seen the symbol that is present just beneath the bottle or at the top of the cap? So sometimes on the top of the bottle or bottom of the bottle, PET like symbol is given in a triangle. We observe PET like symbol. So what is the meaning of that symbol? Today we have to completely discuss about that. Children, collect a different type of bottles. So means water bottle, and ear drops bottle, eye drops bottle. Next, tiffin box, and collect the plastic covers such as the Maggie cover, etc. And observe the number that is marked in the center of the triangle. Okay, observe the number that is marked in the center of the triangle. Okay, what do you observe? So sometimes in the center of the triangle marked as 1. 1 means nothing but pet. So sometimes in the center of the triangle we observe 2. So nothing but it means HDPE. So sometimes in the center of the triangle we observe 3. That means nothing but V. Means nothing but PVC or V. Next, sometimes in the center of the triangle we observe 4. That means LDPE. What? LDPE. Sometimes in the center of the triangle we observe the 5 number. That means nothing but PP. What does mean? PP. Okay, sometimes in the center of the triangle we observe that PS. What? PS. And sometimes we observe that one 7. 7 means nothing but others. So what is the full form of that one? PET. PET means nothing but polyethylene terephthalate. What is the full form of PET? Means nothing but polyethylene terephthalate. Next, HDPE. HDPE means nothing but high density polyethylene. Sometimes we observe that one what? HDPE. HDPE nothing but what? High density polyethylene. Next V. V means nothing but polyvinyl chloride or vinyl. Okay, polyvinyl chloride or nothing but PVC. Okay, LDPE, low density polyethylene. PP. PP means nothing but polypropylene. PP means nothing but what? Polypropylene. Next, sometimes we observe that one PS. PS means nothing but polystyrene. What? Polystyrene. Sometimes we observe that one 7. 7 means unknown. Means nothing but it is made up of unknown material. Okay. Means PET means nothing but polyethylene terephthalate. HDPE means nothing but high density polyethylene. What? High density polyethylene. And PVC means polyvinyl chloride. LDPE means nothing but low density polyethylene. PP means polypropylene. And PS means nothing but polystyrene. So here why the particular number is given in the center of the triangle means nothing but to make the recycling process very easier. Okay, so means nothing but here the materials that are have same number of recycling code, are separated once and took to the recycling center. So to make recycling process easier, that the code number are marked in the center of the triangle. So this is the purpose of the marking code numbers on the triangle. Okay, not only that one, when you observe the symbols on the bottles of the soft drinks such as the Sprite, next thumbs up, etc., and coffee powder containers and shampoos, sachets, etc. So we observe in surroundings various type of materials that are made up of plastic. So we observe the plastic materials in different rooms, especially in the kitchen, bathrooms, etc. We also observe different type of objects such as the oil pouches, మంచి నూనె ప్యాకెట్లు, and containers that store rice, and plastic buckets to store the water, and pipes, water pipes also made up of plastics, and electric appliances such as that one television, computers, radio, mobile phones, etc. All these materials are made up of only with plastic materials only. All these materials are made up of plastic materials only. So in our daily life, many of the objects are made up of plastic only. Even certain type of syrups, means nothing but medicines, also stored in that one plastic bottles also. Yes or not? Yes. And you know that one, we are familiar that one we are drinking water in the plastic bottles only. We are using plastic mugs, plastic buckets, even to carry our lunch box we are using that one plastic boxes, and plastic chairs, plastic sofa, plastic tables we observe that one. So everything, every material are made up of plastic only. So here you know that one, we have been using the plastic material around 25 years. Yes or not? Before that one, most of the peoples are habituated to use that one wood material earlier. Yes or not? And you know that one, even the glass materials also replaced by plastics. You know that one, water glasses are there, that are also in place of that one we are using that one plastic items. Wooden chair are there. In olden we are using wooden chair, wooden table, that are also replaced by plastic only. So in ancient time we are using that one, that iron materials. Nowadays all these materials are replaced by plastics. So why we are using plastics when, okay, so means nothing but they are cheap, means nothing but the cost of the plastics are very cheap, and they are very light in weight when compared to that one other materials. So most of the peoples are habituated to use that one plastic material, plastic material. You know that one, the first scientist who made the plastic is nothing but Alexander Parks. Okay, the first scientist who made that plastics was Alexander Parks. The first made plastic is nothing but Parkinson. What? Parkinson. So normally he presented the synthetically produced material in the year 1862. Normally to prepare this plastic material he used that one nitrated cotton and sulfuric acid and oil and camphor. So the resultant material he named as Parksine. So this is the material base to make up several other plastic material. You know that one plastic also one of the polymer. Means nothing but sometimes asking what is plastic. Plastic also one type of synthetic material, and it is also one type of polymer only. But the arrangement of monomers in the plastics are completely different. One are arranged in that one linear manner, means nothing but line by line. Another one is nothing but cross link, means nothing but once upon another. And you know that when the plastic materials are available in different shapes and sizes, and the plastic have versatile uses, means nothing but the plastic materials have different type of uses. So and we observe diversity in plastic also, means nothing but differentiation of plastic materials also. We observe majorly in plastic material two types are there. So Suppose take that plastic bottle and supply some amount of heat to that plastic material. What do you observe? Means nothing but the plastic will easily melt, means ఈజీగా కరిగిపోతుంది. మీన్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాస్టిక్స్ దట్ ఆర్ easily deformed, means nothing but change their shape by the heating process, are called as nothing but thermoplastic. Are called as what? Thermoplastic. The plastic materials that are easily deformed by the heating process are called as thermoplastics. Example, polythene covers. When you heat the polythene covers, they also melt and they're changed. And PVC pipes, polyvinyl chloride pipes, and you know that one, combs, means duvenalu, they also example for that one, thermoplastics. And you know that one, various type of containers such as jugs and what we said, the plastic buckets are also example for that one, thermoplastics. And you know that one, you take that one, computer keyboard, means nothing but you have to take olden computer keyboard and supply some amount of heat energy. What do you observe? We would observe that it easily not melts and the shape also easily not changed. So the plastic materials that are not easily deformed by the heat, okay, the plastic material that are not easily deformed by the heat are called as nothing but a thermosetting plastic. What? Thermosetting plastic. Example for that thermosetting plastics are nothing but melamine type of plastic. What? Melamine type of plastic. Another plastic is nothing but bakelite type of plastic. One is melamine type of plastic, another one is nothing but bakelite type of plastic. What? Bakelite type of plastic. So keyboard and nothing but, you know, children, olden telephones also example for that one, thermosetting plastic. You know children, the handles of the pressure cookers also good example for that one, thermosetting plastics. And you know that one, electric switches are also made up of with thermosetting plastic. What? Thermosetting plastics. And you know that one, the plastic materials are different types, and you know that one, they have different type of properties, and plastics are easily moldable, మీన్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ మనం ఏ షేప్లో కావాలనుకుంటే ఆ షేప్లో చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ యు నో దట్ వన్, దే కెన్ బి కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ ఎనీ షేప్. అండ్ యూ ఎస్పెషల్లీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రాపర్టీ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ దే ఆర్ ఈజీలీ రీసైకిల్డ్. what? They are easily recycled and reused. For many purpose we can use that one plastic material, and the plastic materials are available in different type of colors. The plastic materials are available in different type of colors also. Not only that one, they rolled into sheets and wires also. You know that one, nowadays we are using that one electric wires that are also made up of with plastics. So they can make into sheets also and wires also. So this is about that one plastics. So nowadays most of the materials we use are made up of plastics, including that one, the childrens are playing with toys that are also made up of with what? Plastics. Plastic cars, plastic dolls, etc. We know that one. So and you know that one, many item plastic tiffins, plastic containers, and rice storage bags, and baskets, whatever it may be, we observe that one. Even pens, all these materials are made up of plastic only. So Nowadays, we observe that when our life cannot be imagined without plastic, but some adverse effects also there by using that one, by using that plastics. Okay, advantage is also there. Why? Because the thing, but when compared to the iron and wood materials, the plastic materials are chiefly available, and the maintenance of the plastic materials also easily, and they can move from one place to the another place very easily. But some disadvantages also there, we have to later discuss about this one. Okay children, thank you.